Hello everyone, start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair and then on the last loop make a little bud out of it. Add a rubber band at the end of the hair, roll the hair in on itself in this section and then wrap it around the bun. Add a decorative pin at the top of it as such. Next, tie a ponytail out of the hair, lift this ponytail upwards and then use a decorative multiple prong pin to it. Divide the hair into two sections after this, make two braids out of it and then wrap them up around the bun. Next, we will start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and then make a ponytail at the bottom. Roll the hair in on itself in this middle section, add a rubber band at the end and then fasten it to the side using a multiple prong pin. At the top, use a two-prong decorative pin to it. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, make two braids at the bottom. Taking the right hand side braid, pull it through the top left section and then taking the left hand side braid, pull it through the top right section. Insert the excess in place using a bobby pin as such, then use a decorative pin at the top of it. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and then roll the hair in on itself. Tie a low ponytail to the hair and then add another rubber band at the bottom. Roll it upwards into a bun and then fasten it in place using a multiple prong decorative pin as such. Next, we will start off by taking the hair, gathering it together and then add a rubber band around it and then on the last loop make a small bun out of it. Wrap the rest of the hair around it, twist it and then wrap it around the bun. Now loosen the bun section of it. Next, leave out a section of the hair from the front and then at the back make a braid out of it. Taking the left side section of the hair, add a rubber band to it, wrap it around the braid as such and then add a decorative pin around it. Next, we will start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and then roll the hair in on itself. Now tie a ponytail to the hair, roll the hair upwards as such. Add a decorative pin on top of it. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail to the hair, roll the hair in on itself and then braid the hair as such. Add a rubber band to it and then roll it upwards and then wrap the hair around it. Use a decorative pin on top of it as such and then use a bobby pin to fasten it in its place. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and then roll the hair in on itself. Make a low ponytail at the bottom and then afterwards add a rubber band in the middle of the two sections you've created out of this ponytail. Now roll this ponytail up into a bun, then use a decorative pin in order to fasten it in its place. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail to the hair, roll this ponytail in on itself, add a rubber band to the end of it, roll it upwards and then add a decorative pin at the top of it. Next, you may use different colors. Gather the hair together and then wrap it around one finger, make a bun out of it as such. Adjust the hair accordingly, then use a decorative pin around it and fasten it in place. Start off by tying a ponytail to the hair, make a braid in the middle section of it and then at the bottom add a rubber band to it and then roll the hair in on itself through this. Wrap this around the top bun and then insert the excess hair into place. Fasten it in place using a decorative pin or a rubber band. Next, we will start off by making a braid out of the hair. Roll this braid upwards as such. Now use a decorative pin in order to fasten it in its place and in order to screw it shut, twist it as such. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, lift it up and fasten it in place using this multi-level clip. Make three divisions out of the hair at the bottom, roll each of them up, twist them and insert them into the levels of the clip. Thank you for watching.